Welcome to EKTV. Today, a strong magnitude earthquake was occurred in USA, Alaska. The quake hits Alaska Saturday, 12 March 2022, 10 a.m. local time at a very shallow depth. U.S. Geological Survey is the first agency to report this quake with magnitude 5.1. And European Mediterranean Seismological Center also report this quake with same magnitude. The exact magnitude, epicenter and depth might be revised in next few hours or minutes. If you like our videos, then please subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates.